So I'm now going to show you multi-centre. So you'll see what I did there. I clicked on a little house, and I would say whenever you're going from one quote to another, obviously save it first if you want to keep it, but if you're not interested in saving it, just click on the little house and it will clear that previous search. So here we are. I'm now going to click on multiple centre and multiple destinations, and it's slightly different, and I'll just explain the differences to you. Obviously, Funway travel agents once again, and then destinational region. So this is our destinational mixes. So we can have a multi-stop hotel only, a multi-stop through ticket, USA and Caribbean multi-stop, or USA and Mexico multi-stop. Now these two obviously speak for themselves, but if you wanted to do a USA multi-stop or a USA and Canada multi-stop, either of these two options would apply. So I'm going to click on USA and Caribbean, and just keep it simple. I'm just going to do a US multi-centre. So I am departing from LON, from London. That'll be all London airports. I'm going to go again in October, random date. I'm going to go to NYC. I want to go for 3 nights, but I don't want a car this time. I will need a flight because I'm flying from London to New York, and I will need a hotel because I have 3 nights accommodation. My next destination, the departure date is already pre-populated, and I'm going to go to Boston. Click on Boston, and I want 3 nights. I do need a flight because I'm flying to Boston. I do need a hotel because I have 3 nights, but I don't need a car because it's easy to walk around Boston. I want to add an additional destination. So I'm going to click on the Add Additional Destination button, and this system can actually do up to 9 individual destinations. So if your customer, for example, is wanting to do a West Coast tour, so flying to San Francisco to Carmel, Carmel to Monterey, Monterey to San Luis Obispo, San Luis Obispo into Santa Barbara to LA, LA to Santa Monica, then back to LA. That can all be done in here. That's a very popular itinerary we do on the West Coast. And as you can see, you can do up to 9 individual destinations. So again, where am I going to go? I'm going to go to Orlando. So I'm putting an MCO, clicking on Orlando. I'll go for 7 nights, and I do want a car for this particular one. Now remember what I said about the additional flight options. Always come down to your additional flight options and put a number of stops, 0 because you want as many direct flights as possible, and hit search. Now this system is all live, so it's going to be checking out all the international flights, all the hotels and all the destinations we've input, all the car hire options in all the destinations, and all the activities that are available in those destinations. Now depending on your broadband speed, it may take up to 15 seconds, but considering how quick this system actually is, that's not bad, I think. I think that's pretty good. So here we are. So it's returned our flight. So here's our first flight, London to New York, and it's our international flight. 4:55, 7:50, 6:05, 4:15, 8:30 a.m. Now, as you can see, this one is £321 more expensive. So I'm just going to go with the selection it's given in this instance. So I'm adding a London to New York international flight to the shopping basket. It's now given us our New York to Boston flight. So I'm just going to add that in. It'll then give us our Boston to Orlando. There it is there. I'm just going to add that in. And then it's going to give us our return international flight, Orlando to London. And there it is there. I'm going to select that. And that's all your flights done. That's all your flights selected for this particular quote. Then it's got our hotels. It's given us the Rue Plaza in New York. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to select an alternative hotel because that's outside my customer's budget, for example. And as we can see, we are now caught up with itself. Loading the hotels eventually. There we go. and it's currently got us at the Rue Plaza, New York, but I know I can save £121.40 by going to the New Yorker at Wyndham Hotel. Now again, exactly the same functionality as in the single centre. You can click on here, it will show you the hotel page, you can look at the star rating, you can get TripAdvisor impartial reviews, and you can change your hotel room type. So I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to reduce that quote by £121.40 to fit in with the customer's budget. And you can do that at each of the destinations. Now, looking at this destination, Orlando, I just need to point out that whenever you put in Orlando, the system will always automatically add the Disney tickets. So there's our Disney tickets, 14-day Disney Ultimate ticket with memory maker for the price of $7. A great deal indeed. So that's us all done. So all we need to do is email or print our itinerary. Exactly the same as we did with the single centre. However, what we cannot do with the multi-centre is do that sales email where we could select a number of hotels, because that would just make it just far too big for the customer to deal with. Once again, you would check out just filling in the customer's details. You can save the itinerary for up to 14 days and retrieve it here, and it will refresh all the prices, keeping in all the elements. And as you can see, a really quick and simple system, really, really easy to follow, simple, linear, shopping basket style system. And I'll just show you, there's your email there. Just opening that up. Again, up to 10 individual email addresses, your own free format subject line, free format introduction, PTR, there's your deposit details and when it's due, there's your flight, there's your hotel with resort fees and hotel advisories, etc. There's your activities in that particular destination, and so on, and then the general breakdown of all costs at the end. So I'm sure you can see that this is a really, really clever, really simple, straightforward, multi-centre booking tool. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go back to the little house. And to finish off this particular presentation, I'm just going to let you know, I did mention that you could get support for getting access to this website from either your business development manager or from a member of our agency sales support team. Now, the contact details for our friends in the north, our agents in Scotland, your regional sales manager is Stephen Craven, and his mobile number is 07398 441 07398 144 178, or email scraven@funway.co.uk. That's SCRAVEN@funway.co.uk. For our agent friends in the north of England, your regional sales manager is Curtis Hunter, and his telephone number is 07498 731 631, and his email is chunter@funway.co.uk. That's CHUNTER@funway.co.uk. For our agent friends in the southwest, your business development manager is Sam Orbell, and his telephone number is 07854 43 678, or email sorbell, that's SORBELL, @funway.co.uk. And for our agent friends in the southeast of England, it's myself, Craig Liddell, on 07530 229 403, or email cliddle@funway.co.uk. And we can all give you support with access to the site, give you additional information, give you additional guidance and help with using the website. So don't hesitate to get in touch. You can also contact our agency sales team. So all you need to do is email agencysales@funway.co.uk, or you can call on 0208 461 6809. So that's about it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I hope this will help you get the most out of this website, and you'll begin to use it for quotes and bookings a lot more. Remember, there's nothing on this website that you can't show your customers, so it's a great tool to help build itineraries, get ideas, offer additional information, and just help with those Funway sales. So thanks for tuning in, and happy selling. Thank you.